Hi, replacing the door seal on your oven is really straightforward. So if yours is showing signs of wear and tear, or heat is escaping from the top of your oven, then now's the time to replace it. In most cases, the door seal is held in place by 4 clips in each corner. And all we have to do is remove each clip. All we need to do now is replace the new door seal in exactly the same way the old one came off. How to replace the oven door seal on your cooker. Remember, door seals and all oven spares can be found online at ransomespares.co.uk. Thanks for watching.